Hello, this is our Instagram business account. Now I'm going to start the trace here in the VPS and the user will send a comment on a post. So this is my personal account and I will search for the business page and I will make a comment on a post. So I'm asking about the car range in kilometers, and then you can see in the left side that is being processed. Our app receives the message through the Instagram webhook, and the system processes the message and generates a response based on our AV catalog. Let me update. So this is the question, and here is the answer. Hello, the range in kilometers varies greatly by model. For example, the Renault Kwid E-Tech offers 180 kilometers, while the BODC AWD can reach up to 374. So here we can see the response appearing in the DM thread. This app is used only for our Instagram business account. It only responds to user initiated message. It is not used for unsolicited message or spam. Thank you very much.